we aha St. Luke's Church of Uganda ati Dikona ririho district ya Kagadi ahwatire mukono abana 13 Bishop wa Bunyoro Kitara Diocese ashabye ubutegeki okuye harimze y'obushomankuzi na no kwibo bururu mu bururu burukwija Bishop Anjire yajumiruze go cyambani hentsindo obushuma na n'obutabanguko bw'umaka kugira ngo akakoraho atakikirize Yesu nko mujunu we
ebyo busiyanye kakora etaba aginwa no edisiko kayise sekiro dereketa mozerekera ndi muri wasitani umperezoa cyokora ikize Yesu nyakabanga y'usabya ngibyo nyamwikiza n'ukabagana n'umeswa kadindurwa
we Episcopo Vika Kagadi Vicariate Monsignor Peter Kaberenge ayihanangiriza abakristayo okuza abantu mu dini
to bring out his children in a discipline and in God ora kayo buryo kuri muri kuza ine umwana kumorora buryo mungese no mutina kabikaru leba yabana baba batoye negeso Yesu kaiki bayinegeso nangwa ukakwiri bakoza ruhanga ego ukaikire twakoza ruhanga ukakwire
omnyishengero kazuwa Kagadi jepacho mhendo mbabazi kabasana omhwezu wa muhikirwa ahabwa Bunyoro Kitara Diocese basemere Bishop ahabo kubataya kabayanagiriza abantu okorana amani hokoreta hentunguka
It was mainly about integrity, how we can use our offices, how we should use the positions we are put in, and as an example, being example leaders, example contemporary leaders, whatever we are doing.
The Bishop has been here for the first time, and he has emphasized the issue of love and imitating God's goodness by being good. When we come on the side of the women in our diocese, but specifically in Kagadi Parish Church of Uganda, the women are so industrious. They are working for the betterment of the church, but also for their families.